Have you ever wondered how this 3D environment where you can have your own website inside the 3D PC, or these really cool visuals, really cool 3D visuals, or even this are made. These all are possible thanks to ThreeJS. Hello, my name is Muhammad Amin. I'm currently studying at RSSchool in the course Front-End Development. So this video presentation is all about ThreeJS. So the structure of this video is gonna be, so first of all, what is it? Then where to use it and how to use it, and the future of ThreeJS and R3F. You will gonna know what is it soon and how to learn it. So let's go to the first step. So what actually ThreeJS is? ThreeJS is a JavaScript library and API that allows you to work with 3D graphics using WebGL. WebGL is originally working with WebGL would have been really frustrating and technical. So 3GS simplifies this process, making it beginner friendly. And about syntaxes, so compared to its competitors like Pixie.js or Babylon.js, 3GS has simpler syntax. And last but not least, 3GS has huge and active community, which means you can access tutorials, any resources related to 3GS freely to learn and to simplify the process of working. 3GS was made by Ricardo Cabello, most known as Mr. Doob. In the starting of his career, he worked as a Flash developer, but now he made 3GS in 2011 and made it open source. So in what spheres 3GS can be used? Firstly, it is used in the game development sphere. For example, there is Minecraft.io. It's a minified version of Minecraft where you can play it on your browser. And as we have seen in the examples before, you can create your portfolio or any kind of creative websites with 3D. And about product configurators. For example, IKEA has a configurator in their website where you can put any of their furniture inside your room, of course in 3D. And lastly, AR and VR technologies. So let's make a real thing, a real example. We are going to make a dodecahedron. You don't know what is it? You'll know soon. And so we have two ways to use 3GS. It's via CDN or NPM. So we are going to use CDN for now. So here our HTML structure. Let's go to the JavaScript renderer. We should render first in order to put everything into our website. First of all we need to create an object of renderer, WebGL renderer, and set size for it, then set color, and then we should append it to our body. Then we should create a scene object in order to place our 3D objects. Then we have perspective camera. So here is the perspective of it, 70. Then we put the aspect ratio of it with divided by height. Then we put the position, how far is it from the object. Then we add it to the scene. So then we have geometry, some strange geometry. So we need to create an object of 3 dodecahedron. This means the size of it. This 15 means size of the dodecahedron. We can place everything, like we can add cube, we can add circle, sphere to this. Instead of dodecahedron geometry, we can write sphere geometry. Then we will have a sphere in our website. Then we should add our material. Our material is color. Then we have mesh. We should use mesh to add our material to our object, like straight geometry to Lambert material. Then we are adding our dodecahedron to the theme. Position is in the center, x is 0. Then we are making a light. We are creating the object of light. It's white. We can change it, like we can create it red light. We are setting the position of our light. Then we are adding this light object to our scene. So the last thing is rendering the scene. So we have the function render, have t plus 001. This is an animation, and we have rotating it like horizontally. And so yeah, this is. So now we have created an 3D object inside of our website. Drum roll. Here our piece of art. So this is the dodecahedron. It's the object with 12 sides. Yeah, basically this is what we made. Now let's move on. Previously we talked about WebGL, a technology and engine used for 3GS. But now we have much more powerful thing, a web GPU. It's a next gen alternative for WebGL. That means you can basically have games like Counter-Strike or Minecraft on your website. It's a bit futuristic, but yeah, that's the thing that you can do it by this, and it's powerful and faster in rendering. But since it is a new technology, it doesn't have a support by Chrome or Firefox. Remember about R3F? It was React 3 Fiber. It's basically the React renderer for 3GS. It allows you it has built-in 3D scenes as React components. Great for use, state, and structure. So as you can see here, there is a function box. So what we made before, like 40 or 50 lines of code, there we have less than 10 lines. So it makes it even easier to make 3D websites. Now, where we can learn about 3GS, we have two pathways, free way and paid way. For the paid way, we have there is a course of Bruno Simons. It's really popular in this sphere, and it costs around $90. And there are Udemy courses. Don't be afraid, they are not like unlimited money. They cost from $20. And there is about the free way. 3GS have really awesome official docs. It has really good documentation, and of course you can learn it by yourself in the YouTube. Yeah, it was the end of my presentation. Thanks for your time. So here is my GitHub, Muhammad Amin 1308, and let's connect on LinkedIn, Muhammad Amin Sharifjanov. And if you have some questions, comment below.